again, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another XLC Wargame terrain. Now this is the 3D printed MDF terrain that we've got, and this is for 3 shipping containers. Now the aim is here that you don't glue these parts in place so that the doors can swing and close open as you like. And yes, it should be relatively easy to throw together because that's all the instructions all there. And yep, pretty darn cool. And yes, it's the same instructions for the military set, which does look a lot better. They're not kind of muted colors, but with these ones I think what we're going to do is we're going to add on a little bit of extra wear and tear and have some fun with it. Anyway, I'll be back once they're all assembled. Bye for now. Hello again, and we're back. And here's them all fully assembled, and it took about 15 minutes. Quite impressed. Another impressive thing is that it's actually double-sided on these, so we've actually got it the print on both sides of the doors and on the interior here, which you can't see at all, but trust me, it's there. Pretty darn cool. Now the only other thing to tidy up is these obvious bits here, the seams and the slots, where it's, you know, kind of obvious that it's an MDF kit. So we're gonna sort that out by doing our usual little mash, which is made up of shredded toilet paper, PVA glue and paint. So we'll just mix it in this little container, stir it up, and yeah, I'll start smearing it on. I'm going to try with a brown followed up by a green so it looks suitably weathered, and hopefully that'll tidy up the most of it, and I'll take it from there. So bye for now, see you again soon. Hello again, and we're back. So this is the shipping containers as they more or less look there, and here's the finished up ones which have all the weathering and whatnot on them. And yes, what we've done is we've just applied some of the mash there just to hide a lot of these seams and the bits of MDF, which you can kind of see there. There's a lot of slots and things right at the tops there. And yes, what we've done is we've disguised them using tufts and our mash. I'm quite pleased with these results, yes. I don't think anyone would have qualms about putting that on the table. Yeah, so it took about 15 minutes to make these up, about the same time to apply the mash and stick on some tufts. So not bad for 3 shipping containers. And yes, the detail on them is pretty damn nice. So this is another kit from XLC, so we've got one more left to make up. So I'll get to doing that. Bye for now, see you again soon.